Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss general awareness related questions. Let us start. Dash has partnered with India Post Payments Bank to promote financial inclusion in India. And the answer is financial software and systems to provide banking service to underserved and unbanked areas. They will use Aadhaar enabled payment system provided by financial software and systems. And the aim of this is to provide doorstep banking service with low cost. Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi has announced Dash Crore Startup India Seed Fund at Prarambh Startup India International Summit. And the answer is 1000 crores. Which ministry has launched Saksham campaign to spread awareness about green and clean energy? And the answer is Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Write down in the comment section who is the current Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas. Saksham stands for Samrakshan Kshamata Mahotsav. India has signed Memorandum of Cooperation with which country in specified skilled workers? And the answer is Japan. Next, which country to host G7 summit in 2021? This is the 47th summit. And the answer is United Kingdom. We'll see the G7 countries are UK, Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Japan and US. Dr. Vishwanathan Shanta, who has passed away recently, she is related to which field? And the answer is medical. She is the world renowned oncologist. When is National Disaster Response Force, that is NDRF, Rising Day is celebrated every year? And the answer is 19th January, and in 2021 it was celebrating 16th Rising Day. And the Director General of NDRF is Sri S.N. Pradhan. Dash has developed motorbike ambulance Rakshita to Central Reserve Police Force, that is CRPF. And the answer is Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO. The chairman of DRDO is Dr. G. Satish Reddy. Indian Railway has renamed Howrah Kalka Mail as Dash as a tribute to freedom fighter Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. It was renamed as Netaji Express. Which minister has virtually launched Shram Shakti support portal for migrant workers? And the answer is Sri Arjun Munda. He is the Union Minister of Tribal Affairs. India's longest road arch bridge was inaugurated in which state? And the answer is Meghalaya, and the bridge is Waryu Bridge. India's largest multimodal logistic park to come up in which Indian state? And the answer is Gujarat, and the district is Ahmedabad. And with an investment of 50,000 crores. Gujarat government and Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone Limited has made an pact for largest multimodal logistic park. SpaceX has created world record by launching Dash satellites on a single rocket. This has break the record of ISRO, that is 143 satellites. What was ISRO's? Next. What was India's rank in Global Climate Risk Index 2021 of German Watch? And the answer is 7th rank. Mozambique Zimbabwe and Bahamas in 2019 as most affected countries. Which country was the largest recipient of foreign direct investment in 2020? And the answer is China with $163 billion. India has announced to contribute dash to the UN Peace Building Fund at United Nations High Level Replenishment Conference. And the answer is $150,000. Dash Bank and India has signed 500 million agreement to improve school education. And the answer is World Bank. Program related to improving school education was STARS. STARS stands for Strengthening Teaching, Learning and Results for States Program. Next, Dash General Insurance has launched Krishi Saka app to help farmers adopt best farming practices to enhance productivity. And the answer is Bharti AXA General Insurance. Next, what was India's rank in the Asia Pacific Personalized Health Index? And the answer is 10th rank. Next, Singapore stood at first rank, Taiwan second rank, and Japan third rank. Next, where is the headquarters of Asian Cricket Council located? And the answer is Colombo, Sri Lanka. The chairman of Asian Cricket Council was Amitabh Chaudhary and the president is Jay Shah. So if you like our videos, please subscribe to Concepts Hub. Thank you.